That's kind of an unusual thing to find in there. It looks like it has flood coolant. These look like diamond wheels. They don't look like grinding wheels. They look like diamond wheels. You know, they don't look like carborundum kind of diamond or grinding wheels. They don't look like the carborundum kind. They don't look like the carborundum kind of grinding wheels. These look like diamond wheels. Now, I'd feel better about it if it started when I plugged it in. But it doesn't seem to want to turn. It doesn't even hum. So I have a feeling that this thing has had a problem. Now, it runs with water. And having this cord open like that, and that open hole there, that doesn't look encouraging. But if it got down into this box, it couldn't get up into this. This should be watertight. So it could just be some wiring issues down here in the bottom. This one has a drain hose on it, but there's no way there was anything draining out of that one. This one has a drain fitting. And this side over here is frozen. I'm going to put some penetrating oil on that hinge because this is die cast. I don't want to crack it. It's awful easy to break one of these hinges, one of these die cast hinges. If you get it froze up and start pounding on it, you can snap that thing. And then trying to repair die cast that's broken is a big problem. So I'm going to look this thing up. I don't have a name on it, but I have some guesses. So we'll just have to see what it actually is. It was free. Guy down the street had some stuff out in the front yard, and I stopped to take a look at it, and he said, "Would you like a tool grinder? I've got one that my son has. And I'll set it out on the porch for you and you can pick it up." So on my way back from town, I stopped. If all I get out of this thing is some diamond wheels, you know, free diamond wheels, they're expensive. They're some real money there. And chances are, this kind of motor, they're built to take a heck of a lot of abuse. I would tend to believe somebody's got the feed wiring screwed up somewhere before I concerned myself with the idea that there's something burnt out in the motor. But we'll have to see. First thing I need to do is finish cleaning out the garage. I actually left with the idea of getting rid of some stuff, and I came home with a grinder and what I'm seeing is a motor. This is a Toro Sport Lawn 21. It's an old reel type mower, and they were big at one time because, you know, they clipped the grass smoothly, but only if you had a certain kind of grass. Standard run-of-the-mill crabgrass that lays down, this thing just rolls over and flattens it. So to me, the mower itself is worthless. I might take the jack shaft off of it and use that for something else. The clutch is probably worthwhile keeping. The thing I was looking at was the motor. This is the kind of motor I put on dozens of pieces of riding equipment. You know, mini bikes, go-karts, things like that. They're tough as nails, little buggers. Now, it could be broken. There could be something smashed or snapped on the inside of it, because I didn't even pull it over to see if it turned. Oh yeah, turns got compression. That means 90% of the problems that you might have with this thing are fixable. If not easily, at least they're fixable. This carburetor is the simplest kind you can have. It's just a suction tube goes down into the tank. No float bowl, no nothing. You put gasoline in the tank and it just sucks gas up and pumps it into the engine. So this could be a worthwhile little project. So the thing I'm going to do is strip off the engine, and then the rest of the stuff can go for scrap iron.